The Pompeii Bibliography and Mapping Project has published its second map, Navigation Map 2. This map improves upon the PBMP's first map by offering more and richer datasets and a more interactive environment in which to explore them. This short video provides an overview of the navigation tools and interfaces to the geographic and attribute data. The basic navigation tools are found at upper left of the map and include zoom out and zoom in, although your mouse wheel also activates this function. Holding down the Shift key and dragging the point across the screen allows you to zoom to a specific area. The small arrow at the upper left corner opens an overview pane that allows you to shift your view to another part of the map. To go back to viewing the entire city, click the Home button. Also at upper left is a search bar where you can search for buildings at Pompeii by address using the region.insula.doorway system, or by name, or by ID number of a particular object. In the upper right of the header, there is a suite of tools for interacting with and using the map. The first is a layer control group that contains 3 items: a layer list where you can turn different data layers on and off, a legend of symbols used in the map, and base map gallery where you can select different underlying imagery. Next is a measure tool that offers distances in meters, areas in square meters, or coordinates of specific places in decimal degrees, which can be changed to degrees, minutes, and seconds format. You can also find coordinates using the tool at the bottom left, which tracks the position of your select arrow to find coordinates as well as transform that point between projected coordinate systems WGS 84 and Monte Mario 2. If you like a location and want to return to it, the bookmark tool can remember a view. Just click Add, name your location, and use it to return anytime you like. The next tool is a slider that you can use to compare 2 datasets, such as the functions of Pompeii's buildings as proposed by Eschbach and the city's basic topography. The next tool is a time slider, but as yet there are no time-aware layers ready for use. We hope to produce a map of excavation dates soon for the entire city. The final 2 tools allow you to share this map with individuals and on social media, or to embed it on a website. You can also print the map in a number of different sizes and formats. Navigation Map 2 also has a number of tools for examining and transforming the underlying data. These tools allow you to add, modify, and recombine elements of the map, but require that you have your own ArcGIS Online account to do so. Check to see if your institution has an institutional account already, or to get a free public account, go to arcgis.com/home/createaccount.html. The first analysis tool is the attribute table, which can be expanded at the bottom of the map. Here you can view the tabular data for all visible layers, select individual or multiple objects, zoom to that location, and even export those data as a CSV file. While you are zoomed into a location, the attribute table automatically filters the data to those objects currently in your view. You can also select objects by clicking on them with the Select Data tool in the suite of analysis tools underneath the search bar. It is best to remove those data layers you don't want to use. If you want to add more data, use the Add Data button to search for a file already in use, or to upload your own. To make your own annotations in the map, use the Draw tool. You can add a single point, a line, draw a polygon, or add text to the map. Use the Undo button to remove your last drawing, or remove all drawings with the Clear button. If you need to find the location of a point in the map, but you're working in a notation system different than decimal degrees, use the coordinate converter. Click on a location, and the converter automatically returns that location in 13 different formats. Finally, if you have an ArcGIS Online account, you can use the analysis tool to apply one of 26 transformations to the data in the map. For example, you can create buffers of features, such as the fountains we added to the map. Select the layer and add a distance that makes sense. In this case, we'll use 50 meters to visualize the overlap and placement of fountains in Pompeii. Under Options, we'll keep the buffers separate and allow them to overlap, and also include the area of the fountain itself in our buffer. Since we are zoomed into only a portion of the map, we can uncheck the Use Current Extent of Map to create buffers around all the fountains, including those not in our view. After running the analysis, we can now see that in the excavated parts of the city, most inhabitants needed to walk less than 50 meters to find fresh water in Pompeii. This tour has demonstrated the basic navigation and analysis tools of the Pompeii Bibliography and Mapping Project's second online map, Navigation Map 2. But there's still much more to explore and discover.